Hi, it's Alli Peck from Glamour Glow Academy. Let's talk about competition in your area with other photographers. And this is a really hard topic for people to talk about. I think a lot of us aren't really being honest, and I'm going to be brutally honest with you and tell you that my own experience. So years ago when I first started out, I wanted to be the biggest and the best, and I had a really hard time with other photographers in my area because I viewed them as a threat. They were talented, they were great. And I wanted to be the best. I didn't want other clients to go to them or other people to go to them. And I don't really understand, looking back now, why I felt that way. I think it was probably insecurity in my own work. I was new myself. I was just into this. It's a learning process. And so for the years, now we're like 10 years later, 14 years later, I am so confident in my work, and my clients, I know, come to me because they want me, and that to me is the best feeling. I don't want clients to come to me because I've guilted them into it, or they feel that they should come to me for any other reason because I pressured them, or for any other reason. So you really want your clients coming to you because they want you and they love your work. And with the other photographers in my area, I'm friendly with them. I actually have a great relationship with a couple of very specific ones, and we meet together, we shoot together sometimes, but really what I do now is I just ignore it. I really don't. I don't look at their Facebook. I don't look on their Instagram profiles. I just simply don't bother with it because it's a waste of my time, and it sucks the energy out of you, and it's just not something that, it's not a road you want to go down. It's not a nice feeling. So if you're having those type of feelings of jealousy, or you're not sure how you're supposed to approach it, I would just say be friendly. It doesn't mean you need to reach out. Doesn't mean you need to be best friends with them. I believe friendships occur naturally, and if it's supposed to happen, it'll happen. But don't obsess over it. Your clients are going to come to you because they love you and they value your work. And we all have different styles. Even if somebody is similar to yours, they're not you. And you need to be 100% confident in yourself, because that comes across to your clients. So don't worry about the photographer down the street or anybody else, because you are the best, and that's what they're coming to you for. If you enjoyed this tip today and you'd like to learn a bit more, you can head over to glamourglowacademy.com, and I'll see you there.